Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Ford F-350 Limited. This one has the 6.7 liter Power Stroke, and I mean this is basically as fully loaded as you can get. This is absolutely gorgeous. This thing, it's like a whole nother level. I just reviewed an F-250 King Ranch with the Tremor pack. This is just a whole nother level. $89,710 as equipped. Like I said, it's a whole nother level. This is like the creme de la creme of heavy duty trucks. Wow, wow, wow. Now, put it to you this way. I could see this being $100,000. So the fact that it's 89, it's actually a bargain in my opinion. So, with the limited trim, you get brushed aluminum, you get a serial number, your year, your VIN number, and your serial number etched right there. This is number 1023, 1023. This is all suede. This is big money truck. All right, let's go ahead and take this thing for a drive. This thing is, it's something. This is like, you're almost afraid to drive it, just because one, it's very limited. Ha, ha, ha. And it's a heck of a truck. Oh baby, this thing. Oh yeah. Even this all leather. That's still plastic, but I'm fine with that. That is a crazy amount of torque. over these bumps. Actually not that bad. Not that bad at all. Tall, eco, slippery. Oh yeah, all kinds of drive modes. And unlike the F-150, Sport is not a drive mode in this. I would have laughed if it was, though. You don't. That's. .22 Stinger. That's the GT line. It's pretty sad that when you spend so much time with cars like that, you know, like that, trim levels and stuff like that. I mean, when you sit there and you work at a dealership, if you work at a dealership, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Like, you can look at that Silverado, that's an LT. And it was. Like, you just know. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I will see you all in the next one.